Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt from expired milk. First, it's crucial to understand that expired doesn't always mean unsafe. Always check your milk for any off odors, discoloration, or a lumpy texture. If it smells sour or looks curdled, it's best to discard it. We're looking for milk that's just slightly past its date, still smelling and looking fresh. Once you've confirmed your milk is suitable, pour it into a saucepan and heat it slowly. Bring the temperature up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius and hold it there for a few minutes. This step kills any unwanted bacteria and denatures proteins, creating a better environment for your yogurt culture. Then, let it cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the magic. Once your milk has cooled to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, add 2 tablespoons of a live yogurt culture per quart of milk. Gently stir it in to ensure the starter is evenly distributed. Transfer the mixture to a clean container, cover it, and keep it warm, ideally between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 8 hours. This allows the beneficial bacteria to work. Once your yogurt has fermented, carefully transfer it to the refrigerator. Chilling it for at least 4 hours will help it set properly and achieve that creamy texture we all love. Store your homemade yogurt in an airtight container, and it should stay fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade yogurt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.